First thing I had to do is just take off these 2 screws right here, and inside is the mechanism. That's what you're going to bring to Ace to make yourself some new locks. All it is on this door, it's just 2 Phillips screws. This one. This one a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to put this off to the side. Don't really need that. What we need is the tumbler on the other side. Which is this mechanism right here. Ace will drill us 4 new keys. Come back, we'll reassemble it, and that's it. Very simple. No need to call a locksmith. This is something anybody can do themselves. So let's go to Ace and get the keys made. I'm with Chris here at the Ace Hardware in Roseville, Illinois, making some new keys for the front door.
This is the key that works. Slide this off so we don't lose our top pins here. And that's basically the inside of a lock. So if we put the wrong key in your door there, it won't match up here. The incorrect key, when you put it in, it won't match up, so it wouldn't turn.
Gotcha.
So we're going to just dump these old pins out. And we can use this gauge to figure out what the new lock is. It's also stamped on most of them.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, thank you.
So we just match it up.
No, that's
So this is a number 3.
Yeah, when I was down in Florida, the guy, he went behind the
Number 9.
secret screen to do
Can you
this.
help this lady? Yeah, no, it's easier sometimes when you're...
I gotcha, you know.
It's
pretty interesting.
That's why.
7. 4.
Okay,
There we go.
all right.
Slide this baby back on.
Doing something, but I need a. It's to a 2001 camera. It's old.
Put spring back.
I gotta check it anyway.
100% positive. Did you check it? I mean, it is so old.
I'll double check. You never
It's
know
so
what they
old.
do.
It's just a matter of putting everything back together then.
Yeah, we're done. We're just putting it back.
It is not a check. You see how thin the thing is instead of the thick ones? 2000.
So now your old
But you
key
can check it if you
It
like.
wouldn't work, right.
doesn't work.
I got it.
The new
sitting out
one-
in the
New one works good.
Cool.
Well,
We're gonna
I'm actually
tighten
in
this
Walgreens
up a
parking lot.
tidge.
Well, it's really quick how you can do
Didn't have
that.
anybody.
It's been a heck of a thing we've
Yeah.
had with that,
Yeah.
trying to get that dried out.
Actually, I'm gonna tighten this one more click.
Because we'll be down to one key, and that's not a good idea.
No, really not.
Something happens to that, we're dead.
Reset.
So that's back.
You're exactly right.
That's it.
That's it. Thank you, Chris.
Here's your new one.
Okay. I just need 3 more, 4 altogether. if
So you
can.
need four
Please.
keys altogether.
Thank you.